Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. The day has finally arrived, a little later than expected, but better late than never. My new toy is here. I've been so excited for this for weeks. So let's not muck about, let's crack on. Right, let's open it up. Dun dun dun! Say hi, bike. Let's get it. So this is a Haibike Fullseven 4 2021 model e-bike, e-mountain bike. So let me get it in the stand and we'll take a closer look at it. Right, there we go. It's in the stand. Let's get some of this wrapping off and have a look at it. Right, let's crack on and get these handlebars fitted. For this you're going to need a 4mm and a 5mm Allen key. Take all the packaging off the bars, and there's 4mm Allen head bolts and the clamp. Remove all of these. They've all got little washers on, so be careful you don't lose them. That's one. Grab your handlebars, put them roughly where you want them, and start putting it back together. You want to get the gap at the top and the bottom roughly the same to equal out the pressure of the bolts. Just do this by eye, by putting the bottom left in and the top right, or vice versa. So you get roughly the same gap at the top of the clamp as you do at the bottom. We don't need to tighten it up fully now because we need to set everything up while we're sat on the bike so we know we've got it in the right position. This is basically just to let it see what it looks like. So then it's up, now on your 5mm, put this top cap tightened down. Line your bars up so they're somewhere in the middle. Knit the top cap down. Then back to your 4mm and clamp it up. Again, you don't have to do it super tight because we're going to adjust everything once we're sat on it. There we go, bars on. Last bit of bubble wrap. There we go. Oh, she's a beast. Right, next up, let's fit some pedals. It does come with some half decent alley pedals, but I'm going to put my DMR V8s on it. So we need 6mm Allen key. Remembering drive side is the pedal with no markings, screws in clockwise. Standard thread. That's one. Now this is the offside, non-drive side, and remember this has markings on it to let you know it's for the non-drive side. And this has an anti-clockwise or backwards thread. There we go, pedals on. Right, so let's take a quick look round the beast. I really do like that colour. I'll tell you a little bit about it. Some of the components. Starting at the front, WTB Ranger wheels, tyres, sorry. 2.3s, 27.5-inch wheels. Suntour SR 34 forks, 120mm travel. Here's your charging port. On the bars we've got Haibike component bars, 780 wide. Haibike stem, that's a 60mm. Haibike grips, clamp-on ones. Suntour edge shock, Shimano jaw clutch derailleur, cassette, it's KMC chain, the cranks, Haibike cranks, Haibike seat. Because it's an e-bike, the rear of the seat kicks up a bit to help you up them hills, stop you sliding off the back. So the brakes on the beast are Shimano's 180mm discs, Shimano levers, Shimano shifters. The battery's integrated in there, look. And that's the business part. Yamaha PW motor, 70 Newton meters, 500 watt hour battery. Shimano rear brakes. And there she is. Right guys, that's it. Quick introduction to the new toy, the Haibike Fullseven 4. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe or get some merch. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.